Lisa, where are you coming from?
School.
It's 5 p.m. You ought to have been at home by 5 p.m. This is 9 p.m. Where are you coming from?
Daddy, our math teacher came late. So we had to start the YX lesson very late. And Daddy, besides, YX exam is just next week.
Mama Lisa!
I have to study.
Please come. Hey, your daughter.
Baby,
look at the time.
You are here.
9 p.m.?
How was your lesson, my love?
How?
It was so hectic. The math teacher even came so late. I was so tired and hungry.
So when you're not around, you come home by this time? Every day? How?
Baby, please. Give us some break. I know you must be very tired. Your food is in the dining. Come freshen up. You're welcome, baby. Your favorite.
Honey, have you found time to go and check on her in her lesson to be sure that she's attending classes and, coping with her studies? Have you been there?
That's really funny. Because what would I be doing at the lesson? Besides, you're talking like you don't know the nature of my job. I don't have time for that.
But you are her mother. You're supposed to find time to check on her and at least get to know how she's faring. Academically.
Honey, please, can you
be sure that she's going up there.
Cut me some slack, please. It's not like she's the only one attending the lesson. Besides, she needs to study hard for her exams. I'm tired and I really need to sleep, please. I need some sleep.
You need to do the right thing at the right time.
Okay, I heard you.
How can you just allow every day, 9 p.m.? Why? How? This is not funny at all. Lisa! Get up! Follow me! Come to the parlor. Follow me now! Follow me. Come here. Mama Lisa, come here. Where's your mother? Come here! Where is she? Come.
What is this?
Take a look. Look. What's all this? Can you see the person you have been defending? I found all this in her bag, in her room. I didn't buy this for her. Did you buy for her? These things are foreign properties in this house. You call yourself a mother. You have been defending this girl all this while. She has been coming home late and you have not been checking on her. Now see, look at it. It's obvious. You don't know your role as a mother. You call yourself a mother, yet your daughter has been doing all this under your nose and you know nothing about it. All you think about is your job. Your job is what you care about. While our only daughter, Lisa, is gradually slipping into the streets. Can you see yourself now? You can see. I pity you. I really pity you. I pity you. I pity you. I